Today I'm going to shine a light on the impossible globe. But to do that, I need to go back in time to yesterday. And we can all test and verify this for ourselves. And you can cross-reference what I'm going to show you. I'm at timeanddate.com. Yesterday morning, Eastern Time or New York time at 7:14 a.m. We've got on the timeanddate.com world map showing the sunshine, the areas in sunlight at this particular time. And as we can see, North America, Canada, South America, all of Europe, all of Russia. The only thing in darkness is Australia and New Zealand pretty much, and some islands. But most of the Earth is in sunlight, okay? So we're going to try and recreate this now on the globe. And again, it's going to highlight the obvious problems with this scientifically impossible globe. So take note of the time, Eastern Time, New York time, yesterday at 7:14 a.m. The sun's position is above North Africa. We'll use that as our center point of reference at first. Bear with me. So now I'm over at Google Earth trying to recreate the sunlight for the yesterday morning at 7:14 Eastern Time. Remember, our center point was North Africa. So I've got this scientifically impossible globe centered at North Africa, and instantly we can no longer see Canada, North America, South America, and a hell of a lot of Russia is missing. Let's assume we're the sun facing this globe Earth. Globe believers, explain to me why massive parts of your scientifically impossible ball would be in darkness, yet yesterday they were in daylight. Make that work on this ball using your own fantasy world, Google Earth. Because to get a North America, Canada, and South America in shot, I need to rotate round to about here. Problem with that is lots of Africa is now disappearing and pretty much the whole of Russia. So if I'm to get the whole of Russia in shot, I've got to come pretty much all the way to about here. And quite clearly we can see all of America, South America, and Canada are missing. So this just doesn't work, and is another obvious problem with the globe, which, as I've stated and proven many times on this channel, is scientifically impossible. You can cross-reference what I've shown you. You can recreate it. Let's just double check the times again. 2 seconds, and the actual places in sunlight. Bear with me. So here's the timeanddate.co map showing the sun's position. Again, like I said, stated earlier, above North Africa, and showing the places on Earth in daylight. And then sighting and centering up North Africa as the middle of our viewpoint for this globe. We can see lots of Russia's missing. America, Canada, and South America are missing, and they'd be in darkness. Again, proving this globe is just a fantasy that resides in the imagination of the naive individuals that reside on this plane. Please, people, wake up, because the repercussions of this thing being taught in school are all around you now for everyone to see. This thing is the foundation of all that is wrong and going on with this place we find ourselves right now. And clearly, I've just shown you again how silly this globe Earth is. It shouldn't be difficult. You can cross-reference and double-check what I've just shown you. Timeanddate.com, their world map showing the daylight and the night on their map. Then you can try and recreate that on this silly ball Earth here, and you'll see the obvious problems. Like I said, it shouldn't be difficult. The water tells you the truth. It doesn't lie. Tower cranes and pendulums tell you the truth. And you can't have an air pressure system next to a vacuum without solid separation. Demonstrable facts tell you this is absurd. Reality tells you it's absurd. Even in this instance, the very thing these globe believers like to cite, the sun, is telling you how absurd this globe Earth theory really is. Wake up, folks.